Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Make.com with Notion and start setting up the automations from Make to create some Notion posts or some Notion work. So we're going to head over Make.com, sign in for an account, and also we're going to head over Notion and sign up for an account also. Now, if we have already the accounts ready, we're going to head over the dashboard of each one of the platforms. So we're going to start by heading over make.com. Now we're going to set up the integration by setting up a connection. We're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on connections, and then we're going to open a scenario builder. So the scenario builder will help us to set up the connection between the two platform or any type of platform with Make. So we're going to click on the plus button, and then you're going to see as you can see, the platforms. So we are going to type in here Notion. Now we are going to see the first one, which is going to be verified. You're going to set up the database, for example, a connection for a database, a page. Also, here we have page content or whatever automation that we have. So we're going to have here, for example, get a page content, delete a page content, or something like that. So you can go ahead and get a page, you create a database item or whatever you want. So you can go ahead and have here whatever setup that you want. So you're going to create maybe a page or a new page in a specific page or whatever. So I'm going to have this. Click on create a connection. Now, the connection type is going to be either public or internal, depending on the Notion account of yours. In my case, I think that it is going to be public. So we're going to have it right there. So we are going to have it as public. We're going to click on Notion public. Then we're going to type in the connection name. After that, you're going to click on save. Now we are going to wait for the Notion to connect our account. So we are going to click on here, and then we're going to select everything. So we're going to click on allow access, and here we have it. So it is going to be something very easy to do. In here, you're going to see that we have everything. So if you are going to create a page, you're going to have it from here. But previously, we've had a problem from a Notion, or not a problem, but it was getting something deep. So you've had here the option to head over the connections. Then you're going to click on manage connections. But the active connection in here is going to be make. As you can see, we have set it up. So this is something very easy to do and also very simple. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.